Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video I would like to show you this cool add-on ROOMZ. The most important information is once you have characters library you get 50% off from our add-ons. So if you write me at samuel@3d.design I will generate a discount coupon for you and then you can just apply 50% off straight away. Easy to do, easy to use. Now you can plug our characters, our animals, our icons inside the room. So you can create your own room or you can just modify the existing room. So let's take a look what is inside. We have tutorials. If you are new to Blender, they are easy to follow from scratch, from first opening the Blender, then to going and using our libraries. They are easy to follow and in 20-30 minutes you can do pretty magic and it's super fun to do. License is the same for all of our libraries. You can use our libraries for commercial and personal projects. The only thing you can't do is to resell the source files or just to take the PNG files and put it on the marketplace and just to resell what we are doing. But you can do work for your clients, for your project, build your brand, etc, etc. So feel free to use them. If you are not sure, reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. Then let's take a look on renders. Here is just examples of renders what you can get from the rooms. As you can see, we have 3 rooms. One is board meeting lunch. As you can see, I just use different angles of the camera and render it differently. So this is how you can play with that. Here is a doctor's room because we have doctor inside the scene, the rooms, which can be pretty fun to do, right? So again, different angles. Then we have living room. This is the living room. As you can see, you have many different objects. Voila. That's it. So this is examples of renders what you can get from room. It depends on what people want because we have suggestions and here people are suggesting us what we should work on, and here are 3d.feedbear.com. This is where you can find it. So also we are writing a changelog. Roadmap is not that updated because it's changing a lot, so I'm not updating it, but the changelog is there. So if you want to see what was new, what was here, what was changed last time, you can definitely check it. This is it. Go to suggestions, suggest what we should work on or vote to existing one, and it can be fun to do, and we are definitely open to your suggestions. Okay, so let's take a look inside doctor's room. As you can see, I opened the doctor's room and now we have multiple different objects, the whole room for the doctor. So this is how it looks like. Right, look at this. This is like screen and some cup and some doctor's accessories. So this is how it looks like from the doctor. Everything is nicely categorized in collections. One important thing is it's extremely easy to change, extremely easy to change the color. So this is how you can change it. The other thing is that, for example, you don't like the blue color, so you can change the green color. This is easy to do. One important thing is easy to do also, like copy paste. Voila, that's it. This is what I wanted to mention, that you can create your own room out of this room. So if you like something, you just need to copy and paste. So this is a living room. This is how it looks like. Also some other objects here. This is pretty funny, business times, right? So we can take anything from this room, like the lamp, and apply to different room. This is pretty powerful, I would say, because whatever you like here, you just need to copy and paste. Let's go to meeting lunch room. Alright, so I just open it and this is how it looks like. Right, so up. If I move ceiling up, we have also like more shiny, and this is how it looks like. As you can see, we have like the window wall, which is pretty cool. Also here is some speaker, here are some chairs, here is whiteboard, here is screen, here is projector. So like this is, you can put characters here and it can be a speaker, or it can be a meeting, and you can like put your colleagues here, or customers, or whatever you want to. This is pretty fun to do. It's easy to do. So that's it. This is what I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. If you want to learn more about our libraries, go to 3D characters.design, and if you want to learn more about ROOMZ add-on and the characters library, go to characters.design. Have a great day, stay creative, and bye.